Ever made stew with corned beef? No time like the present. Hey folks, I'm Lynn Bloor from linsfood.com and Singaporean Malaysian recipes.com. This will be on SMR. Eurasian corned beef stew. It's a little known stew from the Eurasian community, the Portuguese Eurasian community in Singapore and Malaysia. And it is a quick, easy and pretty nutritious stew as well because it's full of vegetables. Let's go take a look. So the first thing we do is cut up all our aromatics and our vegetables. Slice the garlic widthwise, the onions are sliced thinly. That's how much cauliflower you want for this recipe. And then we cut it up into little florets. We do the same thing with the cabbage, the carrots, the potatoes, and so on. This is a light home-style stew. It's rustic. You can use the vegetables that I've got here, or you can replace them with something that you prefer. If you want some of your vegetables crunchier, like the peppers and the cauliflower, add them, say, 10 minutes before the end of cooking time. So corned beef is basically salt-cured beef, with or without the addition of sugar and spices. The term comes from the fact that large grains of salt used in the process are called corns of salt. This method of curing beef has been around for hundreds of years and is still popular today. It's one of my favorite beef ingredients. You can get corned beef in cans, as I've got here. You can even have the fresh one sold in delis. You can use either of these. They're both perfect for our Eurasian corned beef stew today. So what is Eurasian, if you're wondering, if you are only newly following me? Eurasian food in Singapore and Malaysia has always been wonderfully mixed up in the best possible way. We're talking about European influence, Asian ingredients, family improvisation, old colonial histories, local tastes, kitchen practicalism, as it were, and whatever you end up with. That's the beauty of so many of our Eurasian dishes. Eurasian can technically mean just European and Asian, but many of the old recipes like this one from Singapore and Malaysia owe their heritage to the Portuguese Eurasians. You can read up more about this on my Singaporean Malaysian recipes.com blog. There you go. Easy, right? So how do you serve this Eurasian corned beef stew? Traditionally, it would be eaten with rice, plain old simple white rice, but you can also have it with bread. In fact, when I have leftovers, which is fairly often, I'm the only meat eater in the house, I have it the next day as lunch with just as it is, with a little bit of sambal on the side to just pimp it up a little bit. And that's it. Just have it as a stew because it's full of well, it's got meat, it's got vegetables, and it's got a small amount of potatoes as well. One of my favorite sambals to go with this is sambal cincalo. Video is right there. So there you go. Eurasian corned beef stew. Find out more about it on my blog. Ingredients are listed below this video. There you go. One of my favorite easy, quick meals, weekday, weekends, when I'm feeling lazy, which these days is fairly often. Eurasian corned beef stew. Make it. Let me know what you think. I shall see you guys real soon.